Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 21. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. First step, what you want to do, you have to differentiate the given curve equation. First step, what you want to do, you want to differentiate the given curve equation. It will give you the slope of the tangent. Using that you can find slope of the normal because we want to find equation of the normal. If we want to find equation of the normal, we need slope of the normal and the point. For finding the point, I'm going to use the given format. That only will help you to get a value of x and y, that is parallel to the line. The parallel, that word only will help you to get a value of x and y. Now I am going to differentiate the given curve equation. First, what are the things we want to do, that we have to think and then enter into the solution part, right? See here, solution, given the equation of the curve. Given the equation of the curve is y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. First step, what I told you, you have to differentiate with respect to x. So, the left hand side, what can you get? Dy by dx, which is equal to, if you want, you write it here, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 2. Here you are applying the derivative of x power n. What does it mean? The derivative of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Right? This one, you dy by dx is represented your slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. That you should denote it by small m 3x square plus 2. Next, what I told you to find slope of the normal. Slope of the normal. That you should represent it by m1 for our convenient, right? Which is equal to what I told you, slope of the normal, the reciprocal of slope of the tangent with opposite symbol. So how will you write? 1 by 3x square plus 2, reciprocal of slope of the tangent with opposite symbol, because that is positive, so here it is going to act as negative. We found slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. Then we want to find what is the value of x and y, the coordinates we need. For that, we are going to use the word as parallel. Parallel means what? Here they given as slope of the normal, that is equation of the normal is parallel to the line. Normal is parallel to the line, they said. What it is given? Normal is parallel to the line. It gives you slopes are equal. It gives you slopes are equal. Given the normal is parallel to the line. Parallel to the line. Which line it is? X plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. That means what is your conclusion? Which implies slopes are equal. Which implies slopes are equal. We found slope of the normal. Using the given equation, we want to find slope of the line. That I am going to discuss the next line, right? How to get slope of the line. First, the given line you should modify in terms of y is equal to mx plus c, right? x x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0, which implies you keep y alone in the left side, the rest of the thing carry over to the right. That means plus x plus 4 minus 4. Now y is equal to minus x by 14 minus 4 by 14 is of the form how? Is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. I told you, if y is equal to mx plus c means how to find slope? The coefficient of x is your slope. The coefficient of x is your slope. Here, what is your slope of the line? Slope of the line. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1 by 14. Slope of the line we found. Already we got slope of the normal. We said slopes are equal. So you are going to equate, right? What is slope of the normal? Minus 1 by 3x square plus 2. What is slope of the line? Minus 1 by 14. Then minus cancel, which implies 3x square plus 2 equal to 14. In between equal, you have to cross multiply, which implies 3x square equal to 14 minus 2, which is equal to 12, right? Plus 2, when you shift to the opposite side, it will give you negative. Now, see here, 3x square equal to 12 you arrived. Then 3 ones are 3 fours are, which implies x square equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2. You arrive two values, right? Using that, we want to find what is the value of y. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which implies y is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 18. Next, if x is equal to minus 2, then y equal to minus 2 cube. That means x should be replaced by minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6, which implies y is equal to minus 8 minus 4 plus 6, which is equal to minus 6. We arrived the points, we know slope what it is. Then using that we are going to find the equation of the normals. Two equations you are going to get, right? First, the point 2 comma 18, slope what it is? M equal to minus 1 by 14. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? Now, y minus what? Y minus 18 equal to minus 1 by 14 into x minus 2, which implies use 14 and cross multiply, right? Then what can you get? 14y minus 18 into 14. How much? 18 into 14? 252. 18 into 14, how much? 252, right? Yeah. Will you accept it or not, children? Yeah, very good. 18 into 14, 252. The calculation you should do it in the right side, which is equal to minus x minus into minus plus 2. Now we are going to simplify, right? What it is? 14y plus x minus 252 minus 2 equal to 0, which implies x plus 14y what? You have to add, both are negative, so minus 254 equal to 0, right? At 2 comma 18, the equation of the normal at 2 comma 18 and slope equal to minus 1 by 14, the equation of the normal is x plus 14y minus 254 equal to 0. The next point is what? Minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6. The next point, minus 2 comma minus 6. The slope is what? M equal to minus 1 by 14. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here what is your y1? Minus 6. What is your x1? Minus 2. So y plus 6 equal to minus 1 by 14 into x plus 2, right? Minus into minus plus. Now we are going to simplify, right? 14 you cross multiply. Then what can you get? 14y plus 14 6 are how much? 6 4s are 24 to 84, right? Which is equal to minus x minus 2, which implies x plus 14y. Then you shift minus 2 to this side. What can you get? Plus 2. 84 plus 2, it becomes 86 equal to 0. These are the equations or required equations, right? What is the first equation? X plus 14y minus 254 equal to 0. Next, x plus 14y plus 86 equal to 0. Now I am going to move to the question number 22. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at the point, right? Here also the same equation is given, curve equation. Parabola is also represented as a curved figure only. Using that you have to differentiate. When you differentiate, immediately you arrive slope of the tangent. Using that you can get slope of the normal. When we know the point, then you can find the equation of the tangent and normal easily. Right, children? Do you understand the concept? Yeah, very good. Be attentive and listen the class, right? Solution. Given the curve equation is y square equal to 4ax. Right. Here you are going to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. When you differentiate left hand side, you have to be very careful, children. First, you have to apply the power rule, that is derivative of x power n, that is 2y. When you differentiate y with respect to x, what can you get? Dy by dx, which is equal to 4a, because 4a is a constant, it comes under the product. When you differentiate x, it will give you 1. So you arrived 4a. But we need only dy by dx, which implies dy by dx equal to 2y. It comes under the multiplication format. When you shift to the opposite side, it will act as division. 4a by 2y. Then 2 cancel. You get it as 2a by y. Right. This is your slope of the tangent. This is your slope of the tangent. Right. Slope of the tangent, that is m 2a by y. Here it is given as the point 80 square comma 280. That means x value is 80 square, y value is 280. That I am going to substitute in slope of the tangent, right? dy by dx at 80 square comma 280 equal to 2a 2a divided by y can be replaced by 280, right? So 2a cancel, you get it as 1 by t. Slope of the tangent is what? 1 by t. Slope of the normal, I told you already, right? What it is? Slope of the normal is the reciprocal of slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol. What is the reciprocal of 1 by t? T. What is the opposite symbol? Negative. That's all. Slope of the tangent you got. Slope of the normal you arrived. Point you know. Then you have to find out what is the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. At 80 square, comma 280, slope m equal to 1 by t. This one you should represent it as m1, right? Equation of the tangent, 1 point slope form, right? Equation of the tangent, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here you know x1, y1 and m also. Then you go and substitute, find the solution, right? What is your y1? Y minus 280 equal to, what is your slope of the tangent? 1 by t into x minus 80 square. Now you cross multiply, right? Y into t minus 280 square equal to x minus 80 square, right? X minus 80 square. Then x minus yt, you are shifting the left hand side to the right hand side for our convenient, right? Minus 80 square plus 280 square equal to 0. What you arrive at the end, you see x minus yt, x minus yt plus 80 square equal to 0. Equation of the tangent is the equation of the tangent. Then you want to find equation of the normal, right? The point you know, slope also you know, simply you have to substitute, right? Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. The same 1 point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here m1 for your understanding purpose, right? Y minus 280 equal to, what is your m1? We got minus t, x minus 80 square, right? X minus 80 square. Now y minus 280 minus t into x plus a t cube, law of exponent, right? Now xt plus y minus 280 minus at cube equal to 0. You shift all the term to this side, right? What can you get? You see tx plus y minus 2at minus at cube equal to 0 is the equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal. See children, again I am going to explain question number 21 and 22. Have to listen carefully. Find the equation of the normal to the curve which are parallel to the line. The parallel only will help you to solve the problem, right? First you are differentiating. Slowly I am recap, you have to listen. dy by dx equal to, that should be the dy by dx is represented your slope of the tangent. Using that we found slope of the normal minus 1 by 3x square plus 2. The normal is parallel to the line that is given to you. If the normal is parallel to the line means slopes are equal. Then your equation of the line you modified in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. Here what is the slope of the line? Coefficient of x. What is your coefficient of x? Minus 1 by 14. Then you are equating slope of the normal and slope of the line. You arrived x value as plus or minus 2. Then if x is equal to 2, y value you arrived as 18. X is equal to minus 2, y value you arrived as minus 6. At 2 comma 18 and the slope equation of the normal you found that x plus 14y minus 254 equal to 0. Then minus 2 comma minus 6 m equal to minus 1 by 14 equation of the normal. What it is? X plus 14y plus 86 equal to 0. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola at the point. The given curve equation you differentiated in the next step. You arrived to 2a by y. Then you substitute the value of y as 2at. You arrived slope of the tangent is 1 by 2. Then you using that you are going to get slope of the normal that you arrived as minus t. The slope of the normal you know, slope of the tangent you know, the points are given. You are going to get a solution of equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Right? You arrived x minus yt plus at square equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. The next equation of the normal. You arrived xt plus y minus 2at minus at cube equal to 0. Thank you children. Tomorrow I will continue the next sum, right?